Before I go, I want to talk something. She talk say I say some politicians they support Otobo, and I can't talk say Otobo not get transport to take come back. Now me talk and not true. I get evidence, make I prove am to you. Number one, it be like say you no know say all these politicians they hide, they sponsor this girl, and right now they don't know say no be small matter now they want fight. You see, there's difference between you are fighting God and you are fighting a man. If you dey fight man, money fit help you, but when you dey fight God, money no go fit help you. Wetin dey happen to the politicians now? Go for record, go check. They admit them every day. Now they take the fend for office. Why? Because they have decided to fight against the Church of Jesus Christ, not Apostle John C. Suleiman. If you think this matter is all about Apostle John C. Suleiman, you are making a mistake. This will not be about Apostle John C. Suleiman. It's about the church, and the wrath of God is upon them. And some of them have known that they are not fighting against Apostle John C. Suleiman. They are fighting against the church, and they are beginning to withdraw. Because when your money dey, na God, now you dey put the money, they give Stephanie, make it take come black man of God. They go interview him, talk many things. Now some of them don't they withdraw. You understand? So Stephanie Otobo never really reply me, because she know if she reply me, I go talk the rest things come out. But Otobo, talk the truth. Make God set you free. No listen to them. No listen. Forget these politicians. TC said they don't turn their back on you. They are not responding the way they used to respond. They don't draw themselves come out. Now so they be. I know the detail, the truth of everything. I know things what I don't hear with my ear. I know things what I don't see with my eyes. So Stephanie Otobo and the people who they support her, make una continue. No say Nigeria, and I know they use ear. Yes, say man of God do this. If now your ear say pastor do this one, now why even go burn the church? Now why kill the pastor? As if saying and the pastor now put the one way there for our body. If you pour for yourself. You reach for yourself. Any pastor when even see they speak against me, I don't blame him. But if I see the pastor, I go see tell her my mind. And as I said, I know all of them one by one. I know what they do. I know where they go. I know where they stay. So anyone way to get me, any pastor way to get me, make it come and make it project himself. Make it reply me just as that lady reply me. And I respect her for that one. So make the pastor reply me, say, Pastor Casey, Apostle John C. Suleiman did it, that and that. Some way tell me, I reply them. Some of them friend me. Some of them block me. You know, I started to talk my own word. So the truth be say, Stephanie Otobo, you are broke. And I may talk and say, if you need money, I go give you money. Too much money. It day. Best way get God, not they fall. Not think say I carry security, they work out. Not let me they work out. Sometimes you see me for road, you don't even know say not me. And even they enter public transport. If I no one drive, just enter, just they observe what they happen for time. They keep my ear open, not to come social media. They hear interview where they grant where there is no evidence. No evidence. Listen to your mom. Listen to your dad. These are the people you call as a weakness. Your friends. How come somebody from Canada just appear? They talk, say, we are Canada citizen. You know, my salary is enough to pay. Pay who? Me. You can't pay me. Nonsensical pit of ridiculous nonsense. My name is Pastor Casey Chuko Richard Jaffo. They know me as the oracle of the nation. I speak the truth. I fear no man. I fear no woman. Not even Apostle John C. Suleiman. If he messed up, I put him for Facebook, I blast him. But for now, he never match line. If he match back him, those pastors we don't match line when I don't see fair blast, they know how far. So that's why every day I live my life, I'm very careful because I don't want to make mistake, because I know there are people who are watching me to make mistake. I've seen all the messages, all the people you send to write me, to threaten me, all the people you ask to inbox me, to pretend as if they want to play a love game with me. My case is too busy for that. Take my word. See you.